The buzzword in today's plastic surgery arena is the Brazilian butt lift or buttock enhancement. This is an area that we specialize. Our practice has been doing buttock enhancements for almost 20 years. When patients come in for the consultation about their butts, they feel their butts are too flat. They feel the butt is not round enough. Their lower part of the body is too square. They feel that they've lost tissue there and their butt is hanging. All this can be distressful because if your butt is not the way it should be, you won't look good. You won't look good in jeans, you won't look good in a dress, and in general it makes you feel that you're not put together right. The buttock enhancement reverses this. There are two ways we approach it. The first way being through a fat transfer from other parts of the body to the buttock itself. This is known in common terms as the Brazilian butt lift. The other way is through putting in silicone buttock implants behind the gluteus muscle or behind the buttock muscle. We do specialize in both these procedures. They have to be tailored for the particular patient. In today's day and age, I think women are looking for a rounder, fuller, higher butt and giving the body a nicer silhouette, a nicer curve to it. We can achieve this. If a patient has a moderate amount of fat on their waist, or their stomach, or their back, we could liposuction it, treat the fat, concentrate it, and inject it right back into the butt. The butt becomes rounder, smoother, higher, and more shapelier. Now, there are a lot of patients that come in that don't have a substantial amount of fat. This is where the buttock implants come in. We're one of the few practices in the country that offer buttock implantation. Buttock implantation is performed by putting a silicone implant behind the gluteal muscle. The old ways when it first came about was to put the implant under the skin, and this did not work out. The implant would shift, become visible. It requires a meticulous technique to be able to put the implant behind the muscle, but the final result is an enhanced, rounder, fuller butt that's very pleasing to look at. The recovery period is different with the two procedures. With the fat transfer, or Brazilian butt lift, recovery is pretty fast. Within a day or two, the patients are back to work, back to school, back to their daily lives. The buttock implantation takes a longer recovery. It's uncomfortable, and it requires the patients to be out of work for at least 7 to 10 days. With either procedure, though, the final result is a buttock that makes the patient feel better about themselves, and everything that you put on gets an enhanced appearance.